And I'm gonna, to really conclude, I'm gonna thank our winners. Thank you also, Bernard Hinault, for being with us. I'm gonna ask all the board members to join us on stage to see what they thought of these 2 days. So please, board members of Health Tech Healthcare, please come on the stage. We have 2 microphones that you will have to share a little bit. I'm gonna ask all of you one question, as was foreseen. Maybe starting with Marie-Yvonne Hyans. What is your general impression, Marie-Yvonne, of this 2 days? In one sentence, yes. And keep the mic to your mouth because we don't hear you otherwise.
It was wonderful 2 days because we have a lot of participants, more than 700. So it's the first time we got 700 persons in person. Yes, not in virtual. Last year it was in virtual, but during these 2 days they were there in person, and we had 2,500 meetings one-to-one. So it's really very important to have connection with entrepreneur, investor, and all the ecosystem. It's why we do this 2 days. The goal is to have the healthcare access and treatment for every patient in the world. It's the fight of Health Tech for Care.
Okay, can you pass the mic to Christian Policard?
It's for you.
Thank you. Yeah, we have. I'm very sorry. I was asked to ask all of you one question, but as you look very well prepared and smart people, I'm sure you can answer just in one sentence. It's fair enough.
I'm very tired.
Very tired. Well,
difficult question for the morning, you know, but.
Just one question. How do you think an event like this is really encouraging the involvement of patients much more in an early process of developing solutions?
You know, when I came back from JP Morgan in San Francisco, it was 6 years ago, I was tired to listen in America that numbers, investment, and no more speaking about the patients. So during my life at Sanofi, at Pasteur Institute, I have worked only to cure what was not managed for the patient. So we started this project based on two words, patients and innovation. You know, so I am very pleased to see that it is still the same 5 years after, you know, and I hope it will continue because nevertheless, all my life, and I think the same for my friends from the board, we have been only motivated and to cure patients which were not cured well, and there are many. I remember only 6,000 orphan diseases, 750 are well managed, you know, so we have a lot to do, and I'm too old to see the end, but I hope it will be.
Thank you. Well, talking about the future, Anaïs Le Corvec, what do you expect for next year? I've heard your last panel. You want diversity. You want, for sure, many women in all the panels. What else do you expect?
Yes, I'm good. No, in the board, we're getting there. More diversity. So I'm for the future. I think we discussed already also yesterday, maybe talk about other topics, for example, mental health, neurosciences, that in terms of the patient engagement could be very interesting. So I'm not interested yet in removing my tattoo, so I will let you do it, and if I change my mind in a few years, I might go to you. But I'm sure to see again very interesting solutions, innovative solutions, and great discussions. And I feel like the event is really becoming more European, so very happy to see that also.
Okay, great. Marc Deschamps, what do you remember? Let's try to do it quite brief, because if everybody's going to take too long, then they're all going to be very, very thirsty. But what do you take with you from the roundtable that you were moderating as a key takeaway?
Yeah, actually, we spoke a lot during these 2 days about US and Europe and the competition we have here. But on the other hand, speaking about what you said, actually, Christian, when we are developing medical solution for patients, we also need to think about the patient in Asia. There are plenty of patients suffering as well. And we discussed the different countries, China, Korea, and Japan, and the difference with the culture and the way to address actually this market and make sure that we will have a global development as well.
It was indeed a very interesting panel. Let's go to Cédric Moreau. If we talk about the investors, do you have the feeling that it was productive 2 days for them as well?
So first, I think it's so cool and so pleasant having 2 days together. Market is not so easy right now. We have plenty of challenges, but it's really a super good feeling that we share, we discuss. You talk about the official meetings, but I have seen so many side meetings, talks, chat. So first, this is, I don't know if it's really productivity, but it's good. And it's really a good feeling. And regarding productivity, efficiency, yes, I think having all these stakeholders, the speakers, top speakers, investors, pharma, biotech, digital medicine, all this community together is really super efficient, super inspiring. So I'm just eager to be the same place next year and to be part of this HTID 6. So thank you so much.
Thank you. Nice words. I'd like to come back. Oh, you have a microphone. Pierre Courtel, you did one of the last panels. We were talking about late-stage investments. What do you think is the way to go after this 5th edition?
I think in Europe we have great researchers, great centers. Countries are helping at the beginning companies, biotech, health tech, to become alive and to be able to develop products. What is missing is financing for, I would say, the second stage of the rocket. What have the US? We don't have it yet. And I think that we have the money in Europe, definitely. Europe has the money, but now it's a question how you allocate this money to innovation. And instead of doing things that have no return on value, we need as Europeans to invest in innovation and to allow those great health tech to become really, we have the European product that come to the market. And for me, it comes from a new spirit that we can do it. And this event shows us that we can do it.
The new champions as Bernardino. Huh? We are building.
Indeed. Christian Pierret, is he? He's not there, I think. Eh? No, he's not there. Eric Falcon. Yes.
I'm here.
What did these 2 days bring you personally?
Well, what is important for a pharma like ourselves is to make sure that the innovation are reaching to the patients. So what is important in this type of meeting and what we are looking for is to make sure that those people who are thinking, developing those innovations can find their counterpart, pharma, financing, in order really to go further. And I was very, very impressed by all the pitch I've seen. I was lucky to be part of to see all the 3 pitches we have won, and very impressed by the quality of what we've seen. So this is very encouraging, and for us, clearly, this is what we are looking for. We're looking for quality science, bringing to the patient in the fastest way possible, and this meeting allows the financing and the interactions and the network in order to do so. So very, very pleased to the outcome. Congratulations for the winners.
Yes, and I agree completely with you. I saw also all the pictures, and it was of a very high level, and we have lovely winners, so that's very nice. Marc-Julien? No, not there? Okay, Frédéric Girard?
I'm here.
Top. Yeah, I saw some people on stage and some I did not yet see, so it's a bit guessing for me who is who. What is and I'm going to challenge you to use 3 words. The thing that is so typical for this conference. What makes this conference stand out?
I could think about 4 keywords.
Perfect.
So, and actually, they have been mentioned already many times by me.
Doesn't matter.
The first one is clearly innovation. So health technology, life science have made incredible progress over the last decade, but unmet needs are still immense. So there are disease condition, health condition without solution, and it's not about living longer, it's also living longer in good health. And we need those innovation, and innovation have been at the core of the discussion. The second key word is patient, because there is no relevant innovation if it is not answering a clear patient need. And patients are not always at the core of the decision in healthcare, but they are important for HTID, they are important for HTFC, and we have, as you know, every year a specific event for patients, which is Health Tech for patients that happen in spring. The third key word is platform. This is really a platform for experts to meet. It's very complicated to develop innovation. It requires a lot of time, a lot of money, it's highly regulated, so a lot of expertise and experience that health tech don't necessarily have at the early stage, and it is important for them to be challenged, to have the right strategy and therefore get the right financing, and this is really the place where experts are meeting, networking and progressing together. And finally, the last keyword is success. As Marie-Yvonne mentioned, this has been a great event, as last year, and certainly as it will be next year. And we are looking forward to seeing you all next year.
Okay, I think I had everybody on the microphone. I wish, of course, all of you loads of success. I wish you the legs of our winner and the VO2 max numbers of our winner that is with us on stage. And then I'm sure that this next year edition will be a great success. It was an honor for me to be with you these 2 days, and enjoy the drink and enjoy the rest of the night.
Thank you.
And can I also invite the team that organized this on stage and give them a fantastic round of applause.
Thanks to you to joining. Thanks, it was great 2 days. So you made our 2 days. We work on that for a year, and then you are here, and we enjoy all the conferences and having you there around. So thanks a lot, and of course, thanks to the team, and see you next year.
Yeah,